Hello, class 12 students. Today we are going to study cyclotron. Cyclotron is a machine to accelerate charged particles or ions to high energies. पार्टिकल्स को हाई एनर्जी देने के लिए हम लोग ये वाला इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ करते हैं. इट वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय E.O. लॉरेंस एंड M.S. लिविंगस्टन in 1934 to investigate nuclear structure. Nuclear structure means we will bombard the high energy particles on the nuclei to produce nuclear reactions. So these instruments mostly used in bombarding the high energy particles on the nuclei. It uses cyclotron. Cyclotron means cycle and tron, two words are there. So you are make to cycle the particles like proton, neutron, etc. In the form of cycles, it will move and make them to become high energy particles. Then they will go out and bombard the nuclei. Okay, so this basic principle we have studied in velocity selector, that you have to select the electric field and magnetic field like this, that you can select its velocity whatever you required. So this principle is used in this cyclotron also. The cyclotron uses both electric and magnetic fields in combination to increase the energy of charged particles, and they are assembling the fields as perpendicular to each other. They are called crossed fields. You can see in the figure they are arranging them in that manner that a magnetic field is out of the paper, out of the dot is showing, that means it is coming out of the paper. In magnetic field direction is perpendicular to the electric field direction. Electric field direction is, you are seeing two, they are taken two D's, one D1 and D2. They are of metallic, half cutted metallic sheets, metallic containers cutted, and their straight side is put together in front of each other. They are called semicircular discs, and in between there is a space. They will put one proton or any neutrino particle whichever they want to energize. जिस पार्टिकल को एनर्जी इंक्रीज करनी है वो वाला पार्टिकल हम सेंटर में बिटवीन द टू डीज रखा जाता है. फिर डी जो है उसके दे आर क्लोज्ड कंटेनर्स, तो उसके अंदर जो इनसाइड द कंडक्टर देयर इज नो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. बाहर बीच के स्पेस में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होगी. देन D1 एंड D2 आर कनेक्टेड टू ऑसिलेटर. ऑसिलेटर इज ए अल्टरनेटिंग करंट प्रोड्यूसिंग, अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेज प्रोड्यूसिंग डिवाइस. अल्टरनेट वोल्टेज, ऑसिलेटिंग मीन्स अल्टरनेट वोल्टेज प्रोड्यूस करता है. प्लस D1 इज positive, then D2 is negative. Alternately D2 will be positive and D1 will be negative. In this way they will produce voltage in between the two metallic discs. Further, how it will energize how it will work cyclotron. In this figure you can see proton is in the center, the particle with charged particle, whichever you want to increase the energy, that charged particle is put in the center, and then it will start moving in the direction, right direction. It will start moving by the electric field produced in between. जो electric field बीच में produce होगी उसकी वजह से उसमें velocity produce होगी, and that velocity is in the clockwise direction, so it will go to the D2 side. First it will go D2 metallic disc में जाएगा. डिस्क के अंदर उसकी magnetic field will be zero, electric field will be zero, magnetic field will be there, that is coming out of the plane. magnetic field रहेगी, electric field zero रहेगी. तो because of an electric field outside, velocity it attains and it will go in the semicircular direction, and again it will after coming in between, फिर से वो बीच में आएगा हाफ सर्कल के बाद. वहाँ पे फिर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मिलेगी, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल चार्ज इट, फिर उसको वेलोसिटी मिलेगी. हियर वेलोसिटी विल चेंज. नाउ वेलोसिटी विल बिकम V1. इनिशियली वेलोसिटी हाफ सर्कल में वेलोसिटी कांस्टेंट रहेगी. फिर से उस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में आएगा तो फिर उसको D1 इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू D2 एंड D2 इज कन्वर्टेड टू D1 मीन्स प्लस माइनस they will change and the direction of electric field also change and the energy it will gain more energy and the particle will get accelerated particle it will go again in the D1 disk. Inside the disk there is no electric field, only magnetic field is there, so it will follow the circular path like हमने जो पहले जो डेरिवेशन पढ़ा था हेलिकल मोशन में जैसे सर्कुलर पाथ होता है, similarly here is also they will do the circular motion and again this procedure is going on, circular cycle चलता रहेगा and at the end this energy particle will follow the D के पास में पहुंच जाएगा, D के सर्कल पे, तो उसके पास बहुत it will attain high energy and it will go out with that high energy from the exit port से बाहर निकलेगा, तो यहाँ से इसको आप किसी भी टारगेट पे बॉम्बार्ड कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ द वर्किंग ऑफ साइक्लोट्रॉन एंड it has many advantages and disadvantages. It cannot be used to accelerate neutral particles. न्यूट्रल पार्टिकल्स को इसको एक्सलरेट नहीं कर सकते, पॉजिटिव पार्टिकल होना चाहिए. इट कैन नॉट बी यूज टू एक्सलरेट लाइटर सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स सच एज इलेक्ट्रॉन, since electron undergo realistic effect due to which in mass increase when its velocity approaches speed of light. It cannot be used in lighter particles. When mass is not an absolute constant, the frequency of revolution also keeps on changing since they are related by the formula bq by velocity is bq by 2 pi m. Velocity is inversely proportional to mass. तो mass अगर बहुत कम होगा तो velocity mass will be constant. Frequency of revolution keeps on changing since they are related by the formula. Applications it is very important used in nuclear reactors nowadays, and it is used to implant ions into solids and modify their properties to synthesize new material. न्यू मटेरियल निकालने के लिए भी हम इनिशियल न्यूक्लियाई पे बॉम्बार्ड करते हैं, उसमें से और भी मटेरियल्स निकलते हैं. इट इज़ यूज्ड इन मेडिसिन टू प्रोड्यूस रेडियोएक्टिव सब्सटेंसेस विच इज़ यूज्ड फॉर डायग्नोसिस एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ कैंसर. So you go through the cyclotron in your book also, and thank you.